The Access First website hosts a range of powerful features, from managing your support calls to finance and accounting. This My Account video guide explores managing calls. Imagine something's not working as expected. Maybe software is behaving oddly, a service has stopped responding, or you just need advice from support. We can manage the issue from start to finish using My Account. Once you're logged in, head to Calls. This is where all support conversations live, from first contact through to resolution. As a default, the filter is set to your current support calls. Some users will only see calls they've raised themselves, while others may see calls for the wider organisation. The options are set up within Manage Users, which is also part of this video guide series. Let's imagine we need help with something new. We will select New Call. This screen is where you tell support what's going on. Start with the subject. Think of it like the headline of an email. A short, clear summary helps support understand the issue quickly with 45 characters. In this example, we have a problem with Microsoft OneDrive. Next, choose the service contract that best fits the problem you're reporting. If you work with more than one service, you may see several options here, each with its own reference. In this example, we'd use the Technical Services contract. Sometimes you may be logging a call for someone else. For example, a colleague can't log in or their system is not accessible. In that case, select them as the user contact. The next prompts are defaulted to medium, which is, for the majority of cases, the correct urgency status. However, there are reasons to escalate the status, which may even occur as a call progresses. For definitions, see the Information button to the right of the prompt. In the description, explain the issue in your own words. A good approach is to describe what you expected to happen, what actually happened, and anything you've already tried. If you have screenshots, documents, or error messages, you can add them here or submit screenshots. In this example, we'll add in the message, "I'm having trouble with OneDrive on my laptop. It shows a sync error and some files aren't updating across devices. I've tried restarting, but the issue persists. Can someone please assist?" Our user also saved a screenshot to their documents earlier, so it's dragged and dropped from that location into the call attachments area. However, you can browse for files in the normal way too. Screenshots can be captured using tools like the Windows snipping tool. A top tip is holding down the Windows key, the Shift key, and pressing the letter S, which then allows you to capture screens or windows. When everything's ready, select Create to send the support call. You'll see the call listed under Pending Calls whilst it synchronises. When support responds, you'll receive an email, like this one, letting you know there's been an update. To keep things secure, the details are not included in the email. Instead, you're guided back into My Account to view and respond safely. Opening the call shows the full conversation as a series of events. You can choose how these events are displayed. For example, newest first or in chronological order. In this example, support have investigated the issue, completed a remote session, and are now checking whether everything is working as expected. If you need to respond, to add more detail or answer a question from support, select Add Information. This back and forth can continue until the issue is fully resolved. Once you're happy that everything is working, you can request to archive the call. Archived calls are hidden from the default view to keep your list tidy. If you ever need to revisit an archived call, use the filters to switch the status to all. Archive calls appear greyed out to make them easy to identify. If a problem returns, simply use the button New Information (reopens call), and this automatically reopens a call and alerts support. When a call is finally completed, you may rate the support you received. This can be done on screen now, or you can await an email asking you for your rating. These ratings help improve the service and are reviewed as part of our ongoing training. Choose the option that best reflects your experience. Now you know how to create, track, update and close support calls using My Account. For more details on My Account, see other video guides in this series or contact support at accessfirst.co.uk.